Hello, good evening and welcome to my humble model railway, Bedstead Junction. Now tonight, a special thank you to go out to all those people who commented on my Hornby motor rant. Now, and a special thanks goes to Barrie Davis, okay, who made a suggestion for me. Now, his suggestion put me on the right track at least, okay, and I am not sure how this locomotive is working again. All right. Oh, but what I did to, I'll tell you what I did. I worked out that the motor would run if you ran the controller between the track and the top terminal of the motor. So I thought, okay, it's got to be one of the pickups. I had this all completely apart and I put it all back together again. Nothing seems to be wrong with the pickups. All the wiring's there. So I tried running a jumper wire between the wheel and the motor, and all of a sudden the motor sprang into life, okay, and it's now working, and it's also working without the jumper wire. So I've done nothing to the wiring, I've not touched anything, it just suddenly the motor burst into life, okay, on the track, and there it is, it's running. Now Barrie Davis suggested it might not be the motor, it might be something to do with the pickups, and it was, but it would appear. But I still cannot fathom out. I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. But I cannot fathom out how this engine is actually working now. Okay, I mean maybe that something sprang the motor into life. I don't know. Something sprang its circuitry into life. I don't know. But here we are. It's going, and it's been running perfectly now for quite a few minutes now. Obviously, I haven't got the railway out. I'd say once again, thanks everybody for your suggestions. Sorry, a bit of a rant about the unavailability of motors. I mean, I think I stand by what I said. I think the motor should be available. I've now got a spare motor coming, which I probably might not need, okay. So I was wrong about it being the motor, okay. So I should bid you farewell on this one. I'm going to be making probably getting back to making a nicer video. I mean, this has caused me a great deal of head scratching. Like I say, I had this locomotive completely in pieces last night, and I reassembled it and it still wouldn't go. And again, by repeating, I just got a jumper wire, ran it from one of the wheels to the motor, and the motor sprang into life, and it's been going ever since. And this is with no additional jumper wires. Now I've taken the jumper wire away, okay, and it's working. So I'm going to be celebrating in just a minute. I'm either going to be, I might make another video tonight later on, but I might be having a drink or two to celebrate, okay? And again, once again, thank you very much for watching, and for everybody who commented on my little rant thing. Please forgive me for my rant, and please accept my humble thanks for all of your kind comments and advice. Okay, I'll bid you farewell. Thank you very much.